Good morning, dear students and parents. I hope you all are fit and fine. The students, today we are going to start our block 10. This is our SST class. We are going to start block 10. What is the name of block 10? Festivals of India. And what will be the keywords for this class? Religious, festival and celebrate. What is the meaning of religious? Religious means belief in God or gods and following some practices. Festivals are day which is celebrated in a special manner. And what is the meaning of celebrate? To celebrate means to perform. So these are the keywords and the resources for today's class, your content book, notebook and workbook. And what will be the agenda for today's class? Our agenda is first the connectivity question which I will ask to you, and then activity part. After that we will discuss about the activity. Then we will move to the worksheet part. After that I will give you homework. Student, what is our today's topic? Our today's topic is Diwali and Christmas. Okay students, first of all tell me, are you celebrating festival? Right, we all are celebrating the festival. I am also celebrating many of the festival, because in India we are celebrating many festival. Different kinds of festivals are there, as the people of India, they are following different religions. Yes, so they are celebrating different festivals also. Student, now tell me, which festival is your favorite festival? You might be having your different favorite festivals. Yes, my favorite festival is Diwali and Holi. Students, today we are going to discuss about the festival Diwali and Christmas. How to celebrate Diwali and Christmas. Today we will learn more about Diwali and Christmas. Student, what is our today's aim? Our aim is describe religious festivals like Diwali and Christmas. Means today we are going to learn about how to celebrate Diwali and Christmas. And now it is time for activity. In activity part, we are going to read page number 8 of content book. Here are some pictures you can see. This is about Diwali. Yes, just now you have seen the pictures of the festival of Diwali. How do we celebrate Diwali? On the festival of Diwali, students, we are decorating our house with diyas and colorful lights, right? And we are we worship goddess Lakshmi, right, beta? And now look at these pictures also. These pictures are about the festival of Christmas. Students, these are the pictures of Christmas festival. On Christmas festival, we are decorating the Christmas tree and we are wishing to each other. Students, now open your content book, volume 2, page number 8, Festivals of India. On page number 8, today we will read about Diwali and Christmas. After the reading, what will you do? You will write at least one or two feature about the festival, and it is your choice that you will write about Diwali or Christmas. Let's start the reading, beta. Festivals of India. Festivals are special days which we celebrate with family and friends. In India, we have many religious, harvest and national festivals. Festivals are special days which we celebrate with family and friends. Yes, students, when we are celebrating any of the festival, we are celebrating always the festival with our family members and our friend circle. In India, we are celebrating many of the festivals, and these festivals are related to our religion, harvest festival and national festivals also. Religious festival. India has many religious festivals that are celebrated by different people across the country. Some religious festivals are Diwali, Guru Purb, Eid and Christmas. In India, we are celebrating many religious festivals. As you know, in India, many religions are there. So, the festival which are celebrated by Indian, these are also about the different religions, and that are celebrated by different people across the country. Some religious festivals are like Diwali. As you know, Diwali is celebrated by mostly Hindus. Guru Purb is celebrated by Sikhs. Eid is celebrated by Muslims, beta. And Christmas is celebrated by Christians. Diwali Diwali is celebrated by Hindus in October or November. People believe that on this day Lord Rama returned to Ayodhya after killing Ravan. On Diwali, people light clay lamps of oil. Families get together and pray. They wear new clothes, friends and relatives exchange gifts, dry fruits and sweets. Diwali is also known as the festival of lights. As written in this paragraph about Diwali, I think so you know more about this. On Diwali, what do we do? In the lamps, the means like the मिट्टी के जो दियाज होते हैं, we are lighting that lamps also, and we are decorating our house with colorful lights. And in the evening we worship goddess Lakshmi, and people are also exchanging the gifts like sweets, dry fruits and many more. So this how we are celebrating the festival Diwali. Christmas is celebrated by Christians on 25th December as the birthday of Jesus Christ. On this day, families usually eat things such as Christmas cake, meat and pudding together. My most family decorate Christmas trees with bells and stars. People using carols wear new clothes and exchange gifts. Some people dress up as Santa Claus and distribute gifts to children. Students, we are celebrating Christmas on 25th of December. And whose birthday we are celebrating? We are celebrating it as birthday of Jesus Christ. As Diwali, we are celebrating Ram returned to Ayodhya after killing Ravan. And Christmas we are celebrating on the occasion of birthday of Jesus Christ. On this day, families usually eat things such as Christmas cake. What they are eating on this festival? They are eating Christmas cake. And on Diwali, they are eating sweets. They are exchanging gifts like dry fruits, sweets and many other things. And meat and pudding together also. At Christmas, on Christmas they are eating Christmas cakes, meat and pudding. Most families decorate Christmas trees. You also have seen that you might have seen the Christmas tree, and you might have decorated also the Christmas tree. People are decorating Christmas tree with bells, toffees and gifts. And which tree they are celebrating? Which tree they are decorating? They are decorating the pine tree. It is like the pine tree. As it is here it is given, most families decorate Christmas trees with bells and stars. People sing carols. What is the meaning of carols? The song which is sung by the people on the occasion of Christmas. And wear new clothes and exchange gifts. So on Diwali festival also people are exchanging the gifts, and on Christmas also they are exchanging the gifts as well. Some people dress up as Santa Claus and distribute gifts to children. Some people are wearing Santa Claus dress, and the Santa Claus is giving toffees and gifts to the children. As in this picture you can see, children seems to be very happy. Students, now it is time for analysis part. Now I am going to ask some questions which are based on the activity part. And what did we do in activity? Right, we did the reading. Yes, we did the reading of Diwali and Christmas festival. Student, my first question is, when do we celebrate Diwali and when do we celebrate Christmas? Yes, think about it. Yes, we celebrate Diwali in the month of October and November. And when do we celebrate Christmas? We celebrate Christmas on 25th December. Okay, how many of you celebrate Diwali and Christmas? You might be celebrating Diwali and Christmas both, and some people are celebrating only Diwali and some are celebrating only Christmas tree. Diwali is celebrated by Hindus and Christmas is celebrated by Christian. My next question is, why do we celebrate Diwali and why do we celebrate Christmas? As I told you in the reading part also, we celebrate Diwali on the arrival of Lord Rama to Ayodhya after killing Ravana. रावण को मारने के बाद जब भगवान राम वापस अयोध्या आते हैं, इस खुशी में हम दिवाली मनाते हैं, राइट? एंड व्हाई डू वी सेलिब्रेट क्रिसमस? We celebrate Christmas on the occasion of the birthday of Jesus Christ. Yes, Diwali is celebrated by Hindu, but Christmas is celebrated by Christian people. It is celebrated by Christians, and Diwali is celebrated in the month of October and November. When do we celebrate Diwali? Date is not fixed. We sometimes we are celebrating it in October, and sometimes we are celebrating Diwali in November month. But Christmas we are celebrating on 25th of December month. Every year on 25th December we are celebrating Christmas, as it is the birthday of Jesus Christ. So the date is fixed, and people decorate their homes with clay lamps and beautiful colorful lights also they are using to decorate their houses. Tree on Christmas they are decorating Christmas trees. So these are the differences between Diwali and Christmas, as these both are the festival, these are religious festival and these are celebrated in India. Diwali is celebrated by Hindus and Christmas is celebrated by Christians. Students, my next question is, what is Diwali and Christmas? What are these, Diwali and Christmas? Diwali is a religious festival of Hindus and Christmas is a religious festival of Christians. How are they celebrated? How Diwali and Christmas is celebrated? Yeah, right. On Diwali, we light clay lamps and we are decorating our house with beautiful colorful lights also. We worship goddess Lakshmi in the evening. We are exchanging the gifts. We are wearing new clothes. We are eating sweets and exchanging many gifts. By using we are following all these practices on the festival of Diwali. So this how we are celebrating Diwali. And how do we celebrate Christmas? On Christmas, family and friends get together to pray in church and sing carols, and they eat delicious Christmas cakes and pudding, and they also exchange the gifts as they are exchanging on Diwali. They decorate Christmas tree also and they exchange the gifts. They are wearing new clothes also. And Santa Claus, some person is playing the role of Santa Claus and giving the gifts and the toffees to the children. And gifts from Santa Claus. As students, you are also celebrating Christmas festival in school also, and sometimes your teacher is playing the role of Santa Claus and you are getting gifts and toffees from Santa Claus. So this is how Christmas is celebrated. Okay students, now find out some similar thing between Diwali and Christmas and what are the differences. You can say this how like as I have written Diwali, it is celebrated by Hindu and this is celebrated by Christian. So celebrated in month of October and November, and it is celebrated on 25th of December. As the date of Diwali is not fixed, but Christmas date is fixed here. And people decorate their homes with clay lamps, and here on Christmas they are decorating Christmas trees. So these are the differences. And what are the similar things? As these both are festivals and people are uh, people are celebrating it, and they are doing get together also, they are exchanging the gifts, they are wearing new clothes also. So these are the similar things in both the festivals. Now it is time for the horse beta, the higher order thinking question. Listen this question very carefully and then give the answer, and parents please pause the video wherever it is required. Can you think of anything special you do on festival? Means, which things would you like to do, especially on the occasion of the festival? Think about it. I would like to help needy people. As students, we spend a lot on the occasion of the festival, and we can less these expenses, and we can give some of the part of these expenses to the needy people, to the poor people. So this thing would be special on the occasion of the festival. So now it is time for application part. You will do S1, which is given on page number 10 in your workbook, and volume 2. In your second volume, it is given on page number 10. You have to complete this worksheet within 10 minutes. Students, now open your workbook, page number 10, S1, Diwali and Christmas. Look at the first question. Look at the pictures and write the names of the festivals in the boxes. You can see in the picture and write the name of the festivals here. Now move to question number 2. What do Diwali and Christmas remind you of? Write 2-3 sentences about them. You will write about Diwali and Christmas at least 2-3 sentences. Means what this word Diwali and Christmas remind you of. जब आप इन words को पढ़ते हो आपको क्या याद आता है? Question number 3. What are the special thing that you do on Diwali and Christmas? Means which special things you are doing on Diwali festival and which things you are doing on Christmas festival. So you will complete this within 10 minutes. So now it is time for homework. What is your homework for today's class? You will complete practice question 4 and 5 of block 10 in your notebook. Students, be ready for the next class also. I hope you have enjoyed today's class, and resources for your next class on your content book, notebook and workbook. So be ready for your next class also. Thank you. Have a nice day.